Y'all, I am adding some pipe cleaners to our ring board. So to add your pipe cleaners, you just start anywhere on the board, add one pipe cleaner in the top two holes, and then one pipe cleaner in the next row on the bottom two. And we're just going to go all the way around. All right, we got our pipe cleaners around. Let me show you the back. It's easier to see it on the back. All right, so you can see we started at the top, and then we added a pipe cleaner here. On the next one, we added one at the bottom. So we just wrapped the pipe cleaner around the two holes, either at the bottom or the top, all the way around. Y'all, let's get our mounting squares on here first. All right, let's get our mounting squares added. All right. Take this one, fold it in, give it a good ruffle. And we're just going to start in the inner ring. So y'all, we're going to do about 10-inch poofs around the inside. Whenever you're doing it, make sure that your edges are curled underneath. All right, measure from 10 to 10. All right, let's go all the way around. All right, so we did 10-inch poofs around the inner ring. Now we're gonna cut our ruffles. All right, so we're gonna need 8 ruffles on the outside and 8 ruffles on the inside. So for the 8 on the outside, we're gonna do a good 30-inch ruffle. All right, so we're just gonna cut 4 because double layers. These, we're gonna cut at 20 inches, and we're gonna need 4 of these. All right, now with our 30-inch pieces, we're gonna curl one end one time, curl one end another time, and then just ruffle it. And add one all the way around. All right, so we're just gonna add one into all the pipe cleaners around the outside. All right, let's get our ruffles on the inside. So this is our 20-inch pieces, and we're gonna put them around the inside. So just another little ruffle. I personally do not open the twist ties. So there's all of our mesh on our frame. This is the one that I think we're using tonight. All right, so I already added the mounting squares. I didn't have my glue gun on a while ago, so let's add some hot glue. All right, we're gonna add our pipe cleaners. All right, let's get her added on here. All right, we've got her added. Let's make ourselves a bow. So we're gonna start with about a 12 to 14-inch ribbon tail. Get a good twist. Let's get our first loop. Let's go to about 6.5 to 7 inches. All right, so we've got our first two loops. They're about 6.5 to 7 inches. We've got our long tail, and then we've got an 8-inch tail. We're gonna go with an 8-inch tail. Give it a good twist. Pull it up high. Make our loop just a little bit smaller. All right, last one. All right, let's get our 20-inch pipe cleaner. Fold it in half. Put our pipe cleaner around it. Give it a good little push. And get a good twist on it. All right. So we've got our little witch positioned down here. So we're gonna get our bow positioned up here towards the top. All right, so I just ran that right around the frame, right into the holes, and tied it off. All right, let's dovetail these. All right, let's add our ribbon tails. So we're gonna start with 8 sets of tails all the way around the base. All right, we're gonna do 13-inch tails. Let's get our 1.5. So we're just gonna grab one of our 4-inch, one and our 1.5, layer them, fold it right in half, give it a good pinch, and then you're just gonna pinch this right down the middle. All right. And then we're going to add one of these into all of the pipe cleaners on the outside ring of the frame. After we add that, I am going to cut out the pipe cleaner. Once you've got that done, give it a little twist to get them fluffed out. So we've got our tails all the way around the outside. Now this side looks pretty good without adding a second row of tails, but right here and then these spots right here could use a little bit more. So we're gonna need 1, 2, 3, looks like 4 more tails. All right, check it out. So y'all, I went with orange and green ribbon tails so that it wouldn't take away from the purple on the wreath sign. I wanted her to stand out. But I did add purple into the bow to help bring it all together. You guys have a great night. Bye, y'all.